joy with all you meet. Stir it up and watch it grow. Kindness is the way we show. Every smile, every cheer, God's love brings us all so near. Pour it in and let it rise. Love is seen through caring eyes. Sprinkle joy and spread it wide. God is always by our side. Bake it golden, warm and bright. Fill the world with love and light. Every treat we give away shows God's love in every way. Share a cookie, share a smile. Sit and talk a little while. Helping hands and hearts so true. God's love shines in me and you. Clap your hands and sing along. Love is where we all belong.